These are keto?
Hey honey, I'm gonna make you some cookies.
Oh wow, what kind?
I'm gonna make keto chocolate chip cookies with macadamia nut flour.
Oh, keto?
Yep,
Okay.
it's good. You'll like it. Are you gonna watch me make them?
Sure.
You gonna do the dishes?
Sure.
Really? You're just saying that because I'm recording it.
I have to have my cookies first.
Yeah, you'll have your cookies.
Okay.
Yep, there's no sugar in these, no flour. It's all gluten-free. So they're healthy cookies. Because, you have a birthday coming up and you're getting older and you need to eat better. So you have to let them cool first because keto cookies take a little bit longer in the cooling process.
But I like them hot.
No, you gotta wait.
Okay.
So, what do you think?
You put my pictures on here?
Yeah, you knew I was taking your picture. Come on. Look how excited you are about them.
Oh, God.
You like them.
Yep, they're really good. These are keto?